got
As soon as we pull some tickets,
We can use them down there.
yeah, you know, we could like show you loading the tickets, but then I know we were going to kind of stay on with the regular schedule. We were going to go down there and make sure we covered all the attendant functions, and then from there, whatever Wanda thinks.
Yeah, we can do the attendant functions, and then Wanda can say who's going to leave,
Yeah.
and then we'll go
We
into
don't
loading.
hold you
Some of
guys
these
here.
people don't ever load tickets,
Yeah.
I think.
We may go over a lot of stuff that just be unnecessary for you to have to hang around.
Yeah.
Hot sun.
I don't know who she expects to do what.
But if you want to, while we're here, while we have everybody, we could go over just like loading the tickets if the attendants need to see that. I don't know normally who you have loading tickets.
Usually we have to have all the attendants. We
Okay.
eventually
Okay.
learn how to
Okay.
do it.
Okay.
And we could go over that and then we'll have that.
It's just the old system we had to load those. They had to come back and tell us what numbers they put in for us to load them to the server. But these automatically read, correct?
Well, they just start off with their own number. They keep
Yeah.
their own numbers.
So you don't have to put it in the system.
No, that's correct. Yeah. That's,
And so with the others,
there is a function in there for the alert. If you want to know, like when the tickets are getting low, you have to put a number in there for it. But it'll tell you like when the tickets are out, and if they periodically load.
No, go ahead. I want you to
That's
see
not an
it.
issue, but if you want the system to tell you when the tickets are like getting low, there is a number set in there for that. But you have to do that from the system.
but I don't have that specific
No,
card,
you don't have to.
ticket number. It just
And most
says,
people don't have
like,
that.
if there's 50 tickets left, go to 5.
It'll tell you.
All right. So
We got that too.
to access the where the tickets are, just open the top door, and then inside here, which I'll show you, there's a little plunger. You got to push down, so pin. Push this down, and the drawer pop or the bottom pop out. And see here, it's just a little plunger. You just reach your finger in there and push it down. Then you open that right up.
The box in there.
And then let me pull these tickets out. So, let's see if I can get them out from here. So, your box of tickets, you just want to load them with so the barcode, the thermal side, blank side is facing up. So you load them just like this. And just basically got to kind of put the box in here at an angle a little bit. And then just there's a little slot down here that goes in. Let's get it in there. Then that's in there. So then to actually feed the tickets, you need to pull this little hopper out here so you can access this back here. And so what you do is pull this whole thing, it slides out so you can reach it better. And then if you grab the tickets, it's going to be kind of hard to see, but if you guys want to try it out or whatever here in a minute, in the back there's two slots back there. One all the way in the back, and then there's one just in front of that. So you want to feed these into the front slot. Kind of hard to see. Yeah. See the two slots back there? There's one all the way in the back, and there's one kind of forward. Just push it up in there until it grabs it. There you go. And that's it.
Oh, that's it.
Okay, that was easy.
Yeah.
It's just kind of hard to get back in there, but once you get in there, and then you know, if you're low on tickets and you want to change them out, you can just go up and just grab the tickets and it'll come right out. So you just pull the tickets right back out.
So you just reach in there and like pull them down.
Yeah, so you just reach in there and grab, it'll come
You
right
have
out.
to, so that when you have tickets left over, like what we do now is take a little piece of tape and take it. What they did before. And then it would start with what you had left over, and then it got to the new thing, just before the work is taken out.
Yeah, you can't do that with this one.
You just have to wait till it runs out, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, you wait till it runs out.
Yeah, because that other one had.
Otherwise you waste
Now
tickets.
you know the extra tickets you would get from that, because if you lost tickets,
Yeah.
it will ask you for a blank ticket so that if you have some, you could use those there too.
Oh, okay.
So if you check it and you got like 20 left on the bottom, is it worth you coming back in 2 hours? I mean, if you take those 20 and stick them in the office somewhere, and then those can go in the booth, and then you can just kind of start a little stack up there. It's not anything specific, it just needs a blank ticket to account for that when you're doing the lost ticket, so just keep that in mind. You know, they won't go to waste, but you know, you may end up with a lot of pieces, strands, or whatever. So, do you guys, anybody want to try it? Make sure you're okay with.
Go ahead.